What up guys, Master Ninja here coming at you live and loud. Today we need the Dargonzord. Long Dargonzord. We need the Zap Dargonzord. And you know what? While we're at it, one more for late JDF. Theme song. Alright, the packaging itself is a fantastic looking box. Exact same thing, just like the Dino Megazord packaging. Everything feels great. It's a fantastic looking box. Fantastic, nice little Z on the back. A fantastic illustration of the Dargonzord. Picture of the Dargonzord battle mode and the Dargonzord. And QR code if you guys want to scan that. I think it'll just take you to Hasbro's. Open. Inside of the box, fantastic illustration of the Dargonzord fighting the Megazord. And inside the box, the fantastics. We talked about this before in the Zap. So that looks great. Let's drop it. Inside of the packaging comes with one Dargonzord tail, one Dargonzord itself, little accessories, stand, and the instructions. That's it. That's it for the box. So, give me 2 seconds. Let's go ahead. So, that's it. Come with some finger cannons. Dargonzord with a holding hand. Interesting. So it definitely comes with some different pieces. We can pop all this stuff out. We got firing missiles. We got resting hands. We got missile tip fingers. Let's go zoom in on that. She's trying to get her nails done. Honestly, this silhouette looks fantastic, darling. Alright. And we have shoulder pad plugins all around. And I'm assuming these hands are for the Megazord. So replacement hands for. Alrighty. So we got the Zap Dragon Megazord tail, quite posable, quite bendable. It is all in one ball joint. So yeah, just a nice little ball joint. So that's a nice little option. So with that said, if you really want to, you can probably take out that middle piece of meat. We got stunted. Size doesn't matter. It's the only thing that counts. I'm just messing. So with that said, let's go ahead, while I got the tail out, let's go ahead and talk. Let's compare this tail to the Dargonzord, the Legacy Dargonzord tail. So quite impressive. I mean, there's more detail, the exact same amount of detail on both tails. This has a lot more sharper point. This has kind of been pointed off. I don't know, this looks like a great tail. Now we come with two itty bitty tiny Tommies. Like I said, I guarantee you're gonna lose these. So, that's enough talking about tails and stuff. Let's go ahead and bring out the big boy himself. Ooh! She's shiny. There's the big boy himself. He is very light. Very nice job on the chrome paint job. The details on him is fantastic. Nice solid dorsal fin. Alright, looks like his, hang on. I think something's sticking though. Come on. He has no top teeth, but I think he does. I think the visor is just stuck down. Because you can see that he has no, his eyes. Yeah, so give me 1 second, guys. I gotta get something. Alright. There we go. There we go. Blurring. Alright, so all around a nice paint job. The toes are nice, got this nice golden brown. The interchangeable hands look great. I love the detail that they give us. I mean, honestly, the little finger missiles. This guy, all around for Dargonzord mode alone, it's fantastic. So, comparison. Let's get this stuff out. Bring in the big boy. So stand by for both Dargonzords. They look fantastic. Honestly, the detail on the Hasbro one has a nice sheen, but the die-cast metal in this guy, still, I love it. I love it. I love die-cast metal. And on the bottom of the feet, there's the pegs. So, with that said, let's go ahead and move into the next best part, the transformations. The visor. And the visor is very nice. Got a nice little PCC pipe going over the eyes. That looks great. You gotta pop this piece off for the transformation. Willie, what the hell? Alright, let's put them together, guys. Adjust the leg pipe, adjust the legs. Leg number 1. Leg number 2.
Rangers, I give you Dragonzord in fighting mode.
This is fantastic. This is a solid dragon. This is a fantastic mode. Fantastic. Now, can he hold his massive weapon? Yes, he can. Very nice looking Dragon Caesar. So with that said, let's go ahead and bring in the Dragonzord again. But that's a little unfair. I think we need a transform.
It isn't powerful enough. The Mighty Morphin Power Rangers summon Dragonzord and Titanus, the motorized carrier Zord. They morph with Megazord to form the ultimate battle machine, Ultrazord.
Say, who's watching where we're going?
Huh? Not me, I'm not.
Uh-oh.
Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, too hot to handle.
Alrighty, so let's compare Dragon Caesar battle mode to battle mode. This one has its own little problems. This guy, he's fantastic actually. All around, this is a beautiful looking piece. This guy, I love die-cast metal, but yeah, he still suffers from the knee problems. I love how this guy is solid, while the older one, take a knee. Yeah. Was always the Dragonzord's knee was always holding this on the leg. Legendary. But all around, this guy is still a fantastic piece. For size comparison, side by side, let's go ahead and bring in another couple different Zords. The White Tiger Zord from Legacy White Tiger Zord. Honestly, he's not that bad stacked, honestly. It's fantastic, actually. I mean, let's go see here. Compare it to the Legacy size comparison to the White Tiger Zord from Legacy line. It's not bad. Looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and clear this guy out. And let's go ahead and move on to our last transformation. Alrighty guys, time for the final transformation of the night. Let's combine it with the Megazord. So we already got the Megazord back together. So that's it. Ooh. Megazord's a little drunk tonight. Okay, that was a struggle. That was way too hard to transform this guy. Basically, more or less, he turns into, well, a cape. I mean, honestly, how hard was it to put shoulder pads on a Megazord? So God, this was one of the most complicated, pain in the ass transformations I have ever had to do on a Megazord. I mean, honestly, it took me way too long to clip this guy in place. It might have just been me, or tell me in the comments down below if you have the exact same Zord and it was a pain in the booty. But with that said, little boil. Like I said before, this Zord stands quite large. It's a beautiful piece. Hands down, fantastic. But that transformation was a bitch. But I digress. Size comparison. Let's go. Bring in the White Tiger again. And you know what, while we're at it, and Falcon Zord. Big span of the Falcon Zord. Not a bad little size. He stands about almost up to the Falcon's wing. All around, this Zord is a beautiful Zord. I love battle mode. This combination was a little iffy, but I'm going to clean this all up and get my final thoughts, okay guys? Guys, my final thoughts on the Zap Dargonzord. Honestly, this thing is a beautiful Zord. It is fantastic. I personally wish there was some die-cast metal to go with it, but hey, oh well. But it's such an improvement over the Legacy. I won't lie, I love the Legacy, but the Zap did just a wee bit better. Honestly, it's a fantastic Zord, and honestly, it is a great piece. So with that said, this has been the Masked Ninja. Sign off until next time. Thanks for watching. And you know what? Let's play one more off.